Buenas mi gentes, bienvenido al canal de Erika Shady, el canal bilingüe de inglés a español y español a inglés. Welcome to the Erika Shady channel, the bilingual channel, English and Spanish and English. Well, NEFFEX, I haven't been able to react to NEFFEX since last week, but just 7 hours ago, he came out with a video, he came out with a song like usual every Wednesday. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Because if you're watching, you're from the United States, right? Si están mirando, son de los Estados Unidos. Well, in Germany too. I know that he has a lot of German followers. But it is niche turkeys, turkey time in Germany. In Deutschland, it is here. The rain, la lluvia.
I feel the rain, it burns like pain. Alone again, where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why we take drugs to escape. The weather speaks to me, a different frequency. Gave you a piece of me, but you left so easily. I thought you needed me, you kept deceiving me. Think you mistreated me, what did you ever see in me? I'm in a better place, I'm in a sweater space. The mole's a warm embrace, taking me to better days. I work to make a change, I work through all the pain. Distractions keep me sane, I may never be the same. Let me feel for a minute, wait, I don't like that, quit it. I'm a real big cynic, I don't really trust too much, I limit. But when I do, I'm committed, and when I do, man, I'm in it. I'm by your side till we winning, ride or die, I'ma always stay with it. Got my mind tangled in knots, trying to hide from the painful thoughts. Crouching behind all the memories lost, the happy ones between the awful spots. I visualize a lot, protagonistic thoughts, antagonistic boss. I try to win, I try to see the plot. I feel the rain, it burns like pain, alone again.
This song is more within the mind struggles that we have with ourselves. Esos son los problemas mentales que tenemos nosotros. También esas relaciones que creamos con alguien donde pensamos, oye, ¿por qué esta persona estuvo conmigo si ni siquiera de verdad me apreció, me amó, no me valoró? Pero después más que te das cuenta. Y como dice él trabaja a través del dolor. O sea, él continúa a través del dolor. Y cuando digo que trabaja, no solamente en sus canciones, sino me refiero a su estado mental, a lo que tenga que hacer. Dice que las distracciones lo mantienen a él con mente sana, lo mantienen estable, sane, because distractions help him. He's got too much into his head. And he just had a relationship where he's like, this person did not appreciate me. Did not really value who I was, and I wonder why were they even with me? And here I am, trying to work through this pain. I like the part where he said that, we do drugs to escape our mind. Hacemos droga, dice, me gustó esa parte, que hacemos droga para escapar nuestra mente, escapar nuestros pensamientos.
My brain, that's why we take drugs to escape. The weather speaks to me, a different frequency. Gave you a piece of me, but you left so easily. I thought you needed me, you kept deceiving me. Think you mistreated me, what did you ever see in me? I'm in a better place, I'm in a sweater space. The mole's a warm embrace, taking me to better days. I work to make a change, I work through all the pain. Distractions keep me sane, I may never be the same. Let me feel for a minute, wait, I don't like that, quit it. I'm a real big cynic, I don't really trust too much, I limit. But when I do, I'm committed, and when I do, man, I'm in it. I'm by your side till we winning, ride or die, I'ma always stay with it. Got my mind tangled in knots, trying to hide from the painful thoughts. Crouching behind all the memories lost, the happy ones between the awful spots. I visualize a lot, protagonistic thoughts, antagonistic boss. I try to win, I try to see the plot. I feel the rain, it burns like pain, alone again. Where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why we take drugs to escape. But that don't change a fucking thing. I need some space, it's not a phase.
That was a good one then. So he realizes, he said, I need to change things in me. Here I am alone again. Where are my friends? That's why we take drugs, but that doesn't help anything. Eso no ayuda porque uno se siente peor. Si se le pudiera hacer entender a la persona y lo pudiera aceptar, pero es tan difícil, porque cuando uno está en ese meollo sintiéndose así, uno solamente quiere escapar y no se da cuenta que el beber, el hacer droga, después, y aunque uno se da cuenta en ese momento, uno dice, por ahora yo estoy escapando. Like, even if you know, because you don't play that tape until the end. You're like right here. I just want to get rid of this pain. I want to deal with this pain and I want to numb it. That's basically it because we don't play the tape to the end.
Sleepy days, they keep me sane. I'll dream of rain that cause it's so cold outside. Why am I in this life? Why am I here alive? The only point survive. But if we all just die, then we all fail with time. No, that cannot be right. There must be more to life. I wanna make a difference. I wanna be consistent. I wanna be committed. That shit can be so addicting. I have some new convictions. I have some new conditions. I have some premonitions that this time things will be different. I wake up now to a morning filled with sun. I wake up now and I finally don't feel numb. I got something in my life I really want, and I feel like the change has just begun.
So now it flipped, now it twisted. Ahora se volteó la tortilla. Y él está diciendo, no, 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 pero yo tengo que buscar lo positivo de la vida. I gotta find the positive in life, you know. I gotta be consistent. I want to make a difference. Porque si al final lo que es toda esta vida es solamente morirse, yo tengo que ser consistente, yo tengo que buscar lo mejor de la vida, hacer una diferencia. Y eso en sí es adictivo. So he flipped it now. He's like, I want to make a difference. I want to be consistent. I want to have discipline. And that is so addictive, knowing because he has premonition of things and he says that he's the protagonist of his thoughts. And that's when you're too much into yourself and you need to look, like help someone or look something else outside of yourself. 'Cause sometimes we're too egotistical and we're just thinking about ourselves. We are the protagonists of our own thoughts. And when that happens, it's petty. It becomes petty, it becomes minute, it becomes small. Because we have to be greater. We have to look for something greater than ourselves. Tenemos que buscar algo más grande en nosotros mismos. Porque cuando solamente te concentras en ti, eres el protagonista, que todo lo que te importa eres tú, tu mundo se hace bien pequeño, bien insignificante.
Look at me now, oh look who I become. I guess with time you can get what you want. I look back on the things that made me run. They made me who I am, the reason for all I've done. I feel the rain, it burns like pain. Alone again, where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why we take drugs to escape, but that don't change a fucking thing. I need some space, it's not a phase. These sleepy days, they keep me sane. I'll dream of rain that cause no pain.
These sleepy days, winter. Winter is coming, people. El invierno viene y hay mucha gente que tienen depresiones de clima. A lot of people get depressed with the darkness. Hay algunos de nosotros que somos un poquito como raros fuera de lo común y nos gusta la oscuridad. Some of us are uncommon. We're not the usual type. We like darkness. Like I like cloudy days. I don't like rain unless I'm at home. A mí no me gusta la lluvia al menos que esté en la casa. Si yo no tengo que trabajar y estoy en mi casa, no tengo que salir perfecto. Pero usualmente si tengo que salir y trabajar, entonces me gusta el día nublado. En los días soleados, el sol. Y antes yo lo amaba. Before I used to love the sun. I guess I got too much of it in Miami. A lo mejor tuve demasiado en Miami. Anyhow, if you got to the end of this reaction, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Support the channel either to Patreon or the Heart or PayPal. Apoya el canal, ya sea a través del patrocinio o a través de PayPal o a través del corazón. Hay un corazón ahí abajo donde pueda dar las gracias. Take care. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.